What is up, guys? Today we will have a video guidance and all the available methods to unlock the Ninebot, different modification, different version, F2, F2 Plus, F2 Pro, G version, G30, G2, F2, F65 and more others to 32 kilometers per hour. So in this video I will mention 5 available methods right now in autumn 2024. And some of them require more knowledge, some of them require less knowledge, and actually not all of them suitable to all the scooters, and not all of them suitable to all the software version, but you can check and find out which one applicable to yours. Okay, let's start. The first one is a method that is actually quite old but still working for some amount of scooters. In case you didn't update your firmware, you never connected to the app, and you got your scooter a long time ago, so you can use this old method here. I will mention it in the link below. You can find it in the description, the link on it. It's basically show you how using Xiaodash to change your serial number, and you will have the global version instead of version locked on your region. Actually, also you will have additional features such as cruise mode and some others as well, but most important point here is that you will get maximum speed of 32 kilometers per hour. So that's the first method. Let's go to the second one, which is actually quite old but still working even in 2024 with the majority of scooters. It's using the BLE scanner, so you don't need to do many action, you don't change any serial, you just connect to your scooter and write some custom code here in BLE scanner. It's available for Android and iOS, so you can do it with majority of scooters, and all the methods without the hardware mentioned here is not applicable to the D version from Germany, which is locked and only can be downgraded or set it to 32 kilometers per hour by some controller replacement or using ST-Link. I will show this later on here. So actually this hack will help you to unlock 30 km per hour. It will be not visible in your app, but when you drive it you will see it on the screen of your scooter. And this video is working as for now in 2024 autumn, and it's pretty simple, so I will leave the link below here. Let's move on with the third one that is more complicated, is the controller replacement. So here what you need to do, you need to search on AliExpress for the controller that is applicable to your scooter and follow similar guidance from its actual official Segway deal or Segway Lab, how to dismantle it. So as you see on this video, they dismantle it and the controller is located here. It's quite easy to replace, so you just need to unscrew 3 screws here and put a new controller here and back. So it's actually 1 minute on a video, but maybe it will take, I don't know, 10 minutes to replace it. And the new controller should be ordered from AliExpress, so you order directly the global controller or unlock controller with 32 km per hour, and when you install it you will have directly out of the box your bike riding to 32 km per hour. So actually this controller can be found on Chinese websites, and you can Google based on your model, and that's on this video they show you how to replace it very simply. And it's also, this is applicable also to German version, as all this limitation of German version is in this controller. So if you replace it, you're free to go and you can do much more actions here. But also be careful, don't update it once you just install it, because again you will have possibility to use another video, for example the first one, to unlock it. By default it can be 25 km per hour, but you will have the lowest version of firmware, so you can use this 1-year-old video to unlock it first, and then you can update without any problems. Okay, let's move on to the fourth video. The fourth video is actually ST-Link and Xiaodash here. So basically, what does it mean? That you are buying special device called ST-Link, you connect it to your controller only in case it's not the controller, because for German market it may not work, so you still need to replace to global. Then you can use ST-Link to downgrade in case your global also has a latest version of the firmware. Then you can unlock it with the previous one and downgrade it first with ST-Link. But in case you have any other type of scooter except German, you don't need to replace your controller. You can order this ST-Link, connect it like this. You see here it's like USB sticks that you connect to your laptop, actually, or your phone even can be connected. So then you unlock it using Xiaodash here, and then you're ready to go. So you can unlock it to 32 km/h. You can have some settings you see here on this video, as for example, they unlock it to 32 km/h and put it back. And so this is the link you can sell, or you can use it for any other scooters as well, or just keep it with you. So that's option number 4, available for all the scooters, will work on any type of scooter except German version. So in case you have German, only this method, or D version means German, only this method is available for you as a board replacement, and in case the board is a new one, so you need ST-Link anyway to unlock it. And number 5, also brand new, released in summer 2024, is using the Xiaodash, but with majority of scooters it will work except D version again. What you need to do is just have Android phone, download the Xiaodash app, and basically click one option here called unlock higher speed in S mode. When you click it, you will have 30 kilometers, 32 km/h, and ride it easily here. Of course, it will be not available in the settings, but when you drive it, you will see on the screen of your scooter 32 km/h, and it works. But be careful, after all those changes that I mentioned in this video, you don't need to change any settings inside your original Ninebot app. Otherwise, you need to do all the sections again. So that's the video number 5, also work in 2024 for majority of scooters, so you can try it out by yourself. And let's just sum up. So we have 5 videos. 2, you need some hardware changes or opening your scooter, meaning losing the warranty. Those are without losing your warranty, so you don't need to dismantle your scooter. Only 1 video, this one, is working for D version for German market. All the others should work for any type of scooters for any market. Alright, in case you still have some question, just put in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.